In a moment, we're going to hear the tings, a little bell. So listen to the sound, and as you hear the bell, you'll hear it several times and then it'll fade out. Can you listen and feel its quality as it vibrates with you and in your inner ear, even in the nerves leading to the brain? So as the sound, each repetition of the bell begins to fade, can you follow the sound away? Then follow the feeling of the sound as it continues to resonate in your consciousness. Each time you hear it, follow it deep into the silence. In a moment, you're going to hear the tings again. Firstly, just follow the sound out into one direction, as if it goes off into the distance. To a far distant point. Now imagine the sound going out into three directions and see if you can follow all three streams of sound as far as you can. Now this time follow the sound as it goes out and away, moving outward in all directions simultaneously, like rings rippling out from a waterfall to shores far beyond. Let the sound ripple in all directions and follow it into silence. Let's do that again. And after you follow the sound into all directions, you may notice that the subtle changes in the silence that follows. As the sensing of the ear relaxes, you may notice the silence as a clear, open space, perhaps somewhat luminous and inviting. As you listen to the silence, let any pleasant feelings arise and follow them out into that space. You can almost expand them or open with each exhalation. It's possible the sound will continue on then, even within the silence, almost like a memory. Just let it be. Let silence, sound, and feeling all melt together. Listen, follow, and relax.